I think we have been less than supportive of Rangahau in the past. I think there's been a propensity to focus on the Western paradigm in terms of our policy and our processes. Part of that may be that the funding body asks us to do that, and it becomes more and more difficult to argue the validity and place of Rangahau when you consider it next to the Western research paradigm. I think the less we try to compare Rangahau with research, the more successful we'll be. Rangahau is not research. It's not even close to research. It's something totally different. Rangahau is life, which you cannot do without, but a significant proportion of the population are doing fine without research.